Okay, so Namaskar, Namaste, and Swagatam. Welcome to Econtech organized by Prekhapot Production. Good morning, everybody. So with me is Christina and Harshita. So Ami Hatok introduce Koram Taragote. Let me introduce you to my team members. So over to you, Divyatanu.
So hi, Christian and Harshita. I'm Divyatanu. Actually, we have started this new venture of bringing some recognized personalities who are working for and by the society. And by this podcast, we could share their views, their experience with the public, and encourage them. So I hope we'll be having a good time. So enjoy and welcome.
Over to you, Subhajit Das.
So I would like to go with Asmis. So মই ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ যে মই এইটো আইডিয়াটো মোৰ প্ৰেক্ষাপট প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ আহিলে মৃদুৰ লগত এদিন মই কথা পাতি আছিলোঁ। চ' এটা ক্ৰিয়েটিভ কৰিব বিচাৰিছোঁ যোনটোৰ পৰা ইউথক এনকাৰেজ কৰিব পৰা যায় কিবা এটা কৰিবলৈ। এতিয়া ক্ৰিষ্টিনাহঁতে বহুত ধুনীয়া কাম কৰি আছে, ক্ৰিষ্টিনা হৰ্ষিতাহঁতে। চ' সেইটোৰ পৰা চাব গ'লে তেনেকৈ বহুতখিনি ইউথ ইনস্পায়াৰ্ড হ'ব আৰু তাৰ লগতে আৰু সিহঁতৰ কিছুমান প্ৰব্লেমো থাকে যোনবোৰ প্ৰব্লেম চল্ভ হ'বলৈ এটা সহায় হয় সিহঁতৰ। চ' এইটো তেনেকুৱা আজি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰা হ'ল। চ' আজি এইটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট এপিছড হয় আৰু হোপ ফৰ দ্য বেষ্ট। চ' আই অভাৰ টু ইউ সুশান্ত।
Yeah, hello everyone. Hello Christina and hello Harshita. My name is Sushant Chaudhary. I am handling the back-end work and the marketing division of Prekhapot Productions, and I welcome you all to our lovely and useful podcast this much. Thank you.
So basically, Christina is the founder of Hill Society, and Harshita is the vice president of Hill Society. So we welcome you both to Prekhapot Production. So would you guys like to introduce yourself?
Harshita, would you like to start?
Yeah, sure. Am I audible enough?
Yes, please.
Hi, everyone. I am Harshita Bairagi. I am born and brought up in Guwahati, Assam, and I'm in 12th standard and from Delhi Public School, Khanapara, and I have been in this organization since 2020, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, Christina.
Sabotke pratham namaskar. মোৰ নাম Christina Ojaswini আৰু মই class 12ত পঢ়ি আছো TPS Guwahati, and I rightfully call myself the founder of the organization Hill Society, although the idea was being introduced by two more friends, but because of little disputes we had to choose a different path. Apart from that, I am born and brought up in Guwahati, কিন্তু maximum time অসমৰ বহুত বেলেগ বেলেগ জায়গাত থাকিবলগীয়া হ'ল because of my parents transfer and everything. Other than that, yes, that's it about myself.
Okay, so fun fact is that me and Sushant both are ex-DPS student from Bongaigaon. So yeah, we are ex-Dip sides then. So Divyatanu, over to you. Yeah, over to you. First question.
So actually, मतलब ये कोई question answer round नहीं होने वाला, just a normal talk we'll be having. So just I wanted to know from both of you, like what was your journey from the beginning? How did you start it? Like this NGO thing, how did you start it? Just over to you.
Starting, I'll be honest, everyone has this one teenage problem, muru asile, aru it was that one boy problem I had. I was very young and I indulged myself into an unwanted relationship, which I shouldn't have, and I did that. Tarpisot ki hol, sobkhini thike choli asile, kintu you land up in a situation where you just cannot pull up things anymore, and I was abandoned. And I was not abandoned because he didn't love me or something like that. It was a whole lot of issues. I was character assassinated as a woman and all of it. And one day I just realized that things are going too much. And I started getting suicidal thoughts and I was having hallucinations. Hallucinations normally man depression of no hoy. Hallucinate kora moi start korisil. I used to see things. I used to feel people around. And you know how Indian parents are, right? My muk etra kale phone to sab bad de to thik hoy jabo. So every solution for every problem is stop checking out your phone. And I had that. So I tried. could not really get over the thing. Then again, lahe chesta korunte enuka eta somoy ahi porile that I had to appear for my boards, 10th boards, and I could not. Mom was like 60% pale hobo there because my mental health was deteriorating day by day. And that's when I realized ma hotor bhul nai. It's just that they do not know what mental health is. They do not know that physical health too, you can still control, you can still take medicines and everything. But mental health and sanity requires much more things than that. So I just thought, that this is the time that I should take up to educate the people. And I was going through my medications, hospitals. I was referred to a psychiatrist because, again, I had hallucinations and everything. And because of that, I appeared my boards, did not really do well, scored 89% because I should have scored more than that.
Really good.
89 is good, I know, but according to my capacity, should have been a little more. I did not. But yeah, and then I met these two people who said that, this is the time that we should educate people because more than anything, we should educate them to know that, mental health is as important as a physical health. Mathato jodi thike na thake, tene gato keneke thike thakibo, nohoy jano. Te heneke korunte random day, random thought, kali pra heal start koru. It started and it's still going on.
Thank you. It was a really good journey. Thank you. Over to you, Nidhimala.
Yeah. So Harshita, what led you to join this NGO or organization as a vice president?
So what happened? I was in middle school and I have changed schools, And when I was in middle school, it was a very conservative school, and it wasn't a co-ed education. So basically, I had friends. I had like guy friends and all of that, and our school hetu iman swali bilake eta bhal poa nasile, and even the teachers, they got to know about it that I have good guy friends and all of that, and my parents are like really okay with it. So then what happened, then teachers, they started calling me to their staff rooms and hodai principal ata ja, hodai kibata kwa heneka type hol. But heneke amar mane school tour students ok heneke mold kora hoisile, so it's not even their fault. But at a time what ki hoi go more moi mane ekdom school jabo para nasilu. Ma data had a both tension ahi goisile that ki hoise mane swalizoni kyo school jona. Then I changed to my current school, which is DPS Khanapara. Yate I was like I will not fit in and all of that, but all thanks to my school counselors, they have a big role to play in my life because they have taught me that you don't have boundaries, you can reach heights, and that's why aji moi jiu hoy moi more school counselors aru moi more DPS or teachers or karone hoy, big thanks to them. More boards or time more nervous breakdown hoy jay, moi গোটেই ৰাতি শুব নোৱাৰো কি হ'ব বুলি ভাবি, but then মই ৰাতি 3টা বজাতে যদি এগৰাকী টিচাৰক কল কৰো, আজিৰ দিনতো যদি মই সেই গৰাকী টিচাৰ ক্লাছ 10 ৰ টিচাৰ গৰাকী কল কৰো বা তেতিয়াও তেওঁ মোৰ ফোনটো উঠাই আৰু মোক বুজাই যে সব ঠিক হৈ যাব. And yeah, I'm like luckily I was blessed with like so many teachers. And then after that schoolতো মানে তেনেকা স্কুলত কনফ্লিক্টস হৈ থাকিছিল, এনেকা নহয় যে স্কুলৰ লাইফটো পিসফুল হয়, এতিয়াও হয় কনফ্লিক্টস, বাট দেন আমি যিমান ডাঙৰ হৈ আহি থাকিলো সিমান মই গম পালো যে that ঠিক আছে মানুহ এনেকা হ'ব পাৰে, মানুহ ডিফাৰেন্সেস থাকিব পাৰে, বাট that doesn't mean হে মানুহটো বেয়া হৈ যায়, আমাৰ ইটো হিটোৰ লগত মিলিব নোৱাৰে, বাট মানে everything is not right in someone's eyes, something may be different. So then my schoolot eta tumar society ba eneka eta club form koribole mai eta propose korilu principal ma'am. Then principal ma'am declined koridile because it was a bit controversial club. Since we are still in high school, so बहुत controversial हो जाबो बोली आमार club तो नहीं दिला. But still I am working with my school counselors, and whenever some student wants help or asks for help, then they come up to me or their trusted or beloved friend. So and then one way or the other mane মোৰ ওচৰত আহে আৰু কথাটো, and then মই school counselors বিলাকৰ লগত কথা পাতি ঠিক কৰো. And then after that December 2020 মানত মোক ক্ৰিষ্টিনাই মানে হিলৰ কথা বহুত কৈছিলে, and then মই যেতিয়া join কৰিব নোৱাৰিলো because of my some of my problems. তাৰ পিছত finally মই gradually আহিলো. তাইৰ লগত মোৰ বহুত ভাল আছিল আগৰ পৰাই. Then she told me that তই যদি স্কুলৰ কাৰণে কাম কৰিছ, then just work for HEAL also. Then I became a part of HEAL, and now I'm serving the youth with Christina along with my core members and my interns. So yeah, that's my journey.
Okay, so that was a fantabulous journey, and thank you so much, Harshita. So Subhrajit Das, to me, next question to Huda.
Question বুলি নুসুধো, but ইয়াত জানিবলগীয়া বহুত কথা আছে, আৰু তোমালোকৰ মানে কি বুলি কম, এইটো এটা এজত মানে এনেকুৱা এটা ডাঙৰ ইনিচিয়েটিভ মানে যোনটো লোৱাটো বহুতে মানে ল'ব নোৱাৰে। এইটো ইনিচিয়েটিভ বহুতে ভাবে যে এনেকুৱা এটা কিবা এটা কৰিম, বাট মানে সেইটো যে কিবা এটা কৰিমতে ৰখি যায়গৈ, সেইটো মানে আগুৱাই যাব নোৱাৰে। কিন্তু তোমালোকে সেইটো কৰিব পাৰিছা, সেইটো বহুত এটা ডাঙৰ কথা। আৰু মেইন কথাটো আজিকালি এইটো হৈ আছে, বহুত হৈছে যে ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপক লৈ পেলাই বহুত ইউথৰ এনেকুৱা হৈছে যে বহুত ডিপ্ৰেশ্যনত গৈছে, কোনোবা চিট হৈছে, ত' তেনেকুৱা ডিপ্ৰেশ্যনত গুচি গৈছে। বা আৰু এটা এতিয়া মেইনলি আৰু এটা অসমত হ'ব লৈছে ড্ৰাগ এডিক্ট। চ' ড্ৰাগ এডিক্টৰ পৰা এনেকুৱা হৈছে সিহঁতে ঘৰৰ এনেকুৱা এটা প্ৰেছাৰ দিব লৈছে, আৰু ঘৰৰ মানুহখিনিৰ মেণ্টেল ষ্ট্ৰেছটো এনেকুৱা বাঢ়ি গৈছে যে কিছুমান ফেমিলি মই দেখিছোঁ, নাম মেনশ্যন নকৰোঁ, মাক বাপেকৰ মানে অৱস্থা বেয়া হৈ গৈছেগৈ। আৰু তেনেকৈ লাইক সিহঁতৰো মানে কি বুলি ক'ম, কিছুমানটো ধৰি লোৱা বেছিকৈ মানে ড্ৰাগ এডিক্ট হৈ পেলাই কিছুমান মৰিছেও, তেনেকুৱা বহুত হৈছে আজিকালি এইবোৰ কেছ। চ' সেইটো সেই দুটা ছেক্টৰত যদি আমি ক'ব যাওঁ, তুমি সিহঁতৰ কাৰণে কি ক'ব বিচাৰিবা? মানে যে যোনটো চিট হৈছে বা আৰু ড্ৰাগ এডিকশ্যনটো কথা।
প্ৰথম কথা, যিকোনো ল'ৰা বা ছোৱালী এজনে মই ড্ৰাগ কৰিম বা মই ড্ৰিংক কৰিম বুলি নকৰে। They have their own set of reasons, okay? কিছুমানে সেইটো এস্কেপ হিচাপে লৈ লয়। I have had friends, মোৰ বন্ধুসকল কেনেকুৱা, তাহাঁতি মানে শুনিছো আজি চিনিয়ৰ্ছ বোৰ পাৰ্টিলৈ গৈ আছে, ব'ল আমিও যাওঁ, এটা কুল হ'বলৈ কৰে। ডিফাৰেণ্ট ব্ৰাঞ্চেছৰ থাকে মানুহ ন। কিছুমান ইজিলি ইনফ্লুৱেঞ্চড হৈ যায়, কিছুমানে কৰো বুলি কৰে because now they want to establish themselves in the cool society of the teenagers. আৰু কিছুমানে কৰে because they just want to escape from their daily schedule or maybe just like that. এটা কথাটো এনেকুৱা আহি পৰে that they are living in denial. প্ৰথম কথা, তাহাঁতি আৰু তাত বহুত ক্ষেত্ৰত পেৰেণ্টছৰো ভুল আছে। কিয় আমি সদায় ভাবো যে মোৰ ছোৱালীজনী বা মোৰ ল'ৰাটো সদায় প্ৰটেক্টেড থাকক। I'll always give them or her a shelter that shall always protect them, and that should not happen because, for example, মোৰ মায়ে মোক সৰুৰ পৰাই I have been to clubs, I have seen drinking, I have seen my dad drinking. I have a very so I had a very cool family, and the fact is they had their own boundary lines. মোক কৈছিলে যে তই এইখিনি বস্তু কৰিবি, কিন্তু এইখিনি বস্তু তই এটা বাউণ্ডাৰী কৰিবি। So I knew my boundaries, yet I lived my life till this 19 years, and they always taught me that এটা সময়ৰ পাছত it's you Christina only. I won't be there, you have to handle things yourself. But parents কি ভাবে কিছুমান মানুহ that ওলাই যাব দিলে কিজানি বেয়া হৈ যাব, বেয়া হৈ নাযায় যেতিয়ালৈকে সেই মানুহটোৱে নিজে বেয়া হ'ব নোখোজে। You never get influenced until you do not want to get influenced. Bujisano, it's like, for example, I'm going out. If somebody is asking me to drink, I should have that thing in my mind. Grow that. If I'm getting impacted, if I'm getting affected, then this is going to affect me and not him. I should make myself strong enough to not get influenced. Karon influence called drugs, ba drinking ote nohoy, college ot hobo, school ot hobo, your workplace ot hobo. So it's all about the power play, and wherever is power, there will be influence. Hence, drug abuse hog, ba alcohol hog, whatever it is, it's very necessary for the youth to understand that you don't need to be cool through that. That's not the mainstream thing that makes you cool. The achievements that you have, the way that you have grown yourself basically makes you cool enough. And you asked me something else. I forgot. What did you ask me?
নাই মই কৈছিলো কি লাভ লাইফত যোনটো চিট হয় তাৰ পৰা বহুত মানুহৰ সুইসাইডাল থটস আহে বা কিবা আহে এইটো কথা কৈছে
Fun fact, I'm sitting here and I want to slap myself twice for being that Christina, because I should not have been that. Why do you cry for a boy who does not pay attention to you, right? Your mom and dad did not pay so much of money for you to cry for someone who does not pay or give you that amount of respect. Now, the point is, our friends or the people who belong from the same group have this thing that nobody loves them, they're living in denial, people are stopping them from doing things and everything, and then they find this one person whom they misunderstand the relationship for love, and then they're like, but it's never like that. You do not die for one person, you die for yourself. You do not die for a guy or a girl, you know. You die for your own self. When your ego hurts you, when you feel that you're frustrated, it's never for that one boy or for that one girl. I'll tell you this. The guy because of whom I went to depression, he's no more. And my life is still going on. Not that I stopped there. Not that I thought that he took college the one. It's not like that. My life is going on. And the fun fact is, life is too fast for us to grieve for someone else. Nijor kam, nijor family, nijor journey, iman besi important ho jay eta homoyot that you just start forgetting things, and all that matters to you is to how you survive. And then when that point comes, you just stop feeling things for people, you become numb. So falling into a trap because of relationship is foolish. I'm not saying that you shouldn't be involved in relationships. You should be. This is the age. Bhul korile, pisot ami lesson to pai. We refrain from doing things, but do not do things in such a way that affects you and questions the upbringing of your parents. Because hey, to me, 3-4 বছৰৰ কাৰণে লগ পাইছা, you know, tumar parents, যেনেকুৱা parents kana hok, tumang marise, katise, jiu korise, they are your parents and they have nurtured you. This is the message that I want to give to the youth.
ঠিকে আছে বাৰু, গম পালো কথাখিনি। আৰু তোমাৰ লগত মই এইটো এগ্ৰি কৰোঁ যে ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপত কোনোবা ল'ৰা এটা বা ছোৱালী এজনী সেইটো একো ইম্পৰ্টেঞ্চ নহয়। নিজৰ পেৰেণ্টছ সদায় মেইনলি ফাৰ্ষ্ট প্ৰায়ৰিটি নিজৰ পেৰেণ্টছক দিব লাগে। আৰু এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ, ময়ো কেতিয়াবা ডিপ্ৰেশ্যনত যাওঁ, কিন্তু ডিপ্ৰেশ্যনত গ'লে মোৰ ৰাতিটো মোৰ টোপনি নাহে হা। কিন্তু টোপনি নাহিলে মোৰ মানে কি কিবা কিবি এনেকুৱা আইডিয়াছ আহে, যোনবোৰ আইডিয়াছ মানে সুইচাইডৰ থটছ নহয়, কিন্তু ভাল ভাল আইডিয়াছ কিছুমান আহে। মই মানে উল্টাটো হৈ যাওঁ, কিয় বা?
আৰু এটা কথা that তুমি যদি নিজৰ পেৰেণ্টছকে ভাল পাব নোৱাৰা, যোনে তোমাক 19-20 ইয়াৰ্ছৰ পৰা ইমান বস্তু দিছে, তুমি suddenly এজনী মানুহ বা এটা মানুহ অহাৰ সময়ত সেই মানুহটো কেনেকে মানে suddenly ভাল পাই যাব পাৰা ন? If you cannot love your parents who have been serving you so much, how can you just love someone just in one day and be like, this guy or this girl is the one, man, I'm going to marry him, I'll die without him.
There's something that তুমি যদি তোকে ভাল নোপোৱা, তুমি বেলেগ মানুহক কেনেকে ভাল পাব পাৰিবা? ফাৰ্ষ্টত তুমি একচেপ্ট কৰিব শিকিব লাগিব ন। তো লাইক ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপত চবে এটা টক্সিক ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপৰ পৰা পাৰ হৈ আহিছে। We all have been through that stage and we will future to এতিয়া নহলেও পিছত হ'ব। Maybe কিছুমানৰ 15 yearsত হয়, কিছুমানৰ 20 yearsত হ'ব, বা sometimes when you're working also তুমি 30-40 ইয়াৰ্ছতো তুমি বহুত তোমাৰ এনেকা আহে যে এইটো নচলিব, এইটো কিয়, এইটো মই এনেকা মানুহ এজনীয়ে নাছিলো। সো ফাৰ্ষ্ট নিজকে যদি একচেপ্ট কৰা তেতিয়া তুমি বেলেগক ভাল ল'ব পাৰিবা। এণ্ড আমাৰ এইটো যেনেকে আমাৰ পেৰেণ্টছে কয় ইটছ আ পপি লাভ। কিছুমানৰ চলি যায় ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটো, কিছুমানৰ নচলে, মেক্সিমামৰ নচলে। আৰু যাৰ চলে সেইবিলাক বহুত ৰেয়াৰ চিটুৱেশ্যনছ হয় য'ত মানে বহুত জল্দি চবেই মানে তোমাক কি লাগে চবেই গম পাই যায়। বাট দেন আমি আমাৰ যোনটো এজ হয়, আমি এক্সপ্ল'ৰ এণ্ড উই ডিস্কভাৰ থিংছ এভৰি ডে এণ্ড দিছ জেনেৰেশ্যন এভৰি ডে নতুন নতুন কথা শিকিব, এভৰি ডে ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়া আছে, চব গম পাব। চ' we are so eager that আমাক ইমান বেছি আমাক ইমান বেছি কি আছিল বস্তু পাইছো, বেলেগে এইটো পালে বেলেগে ইটো পালে, মোৰ আৰু এনেকে কেটেগৰাইজ কৰে যে মোক এনেকা আইডিয়েল ল'ৰা লাগে, মোক এইটো লাগে, এনেকা থাকিব লাগে, তেনেকা থাকিব লাগে, বাট মোক এনেকা ছোৱালী লাগে, তেনেকা লাগে। চ' ইটছ দ্যাট আমাৰ এনেকা এইটো জেনেৰেশ্যনটোৱে তেনেকা হয়। আৰু বাট দেন যেতিয়া তুমি ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ এটাত আহা তেতিয়া তুমি ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰা যে তোমাক সেইবিলাক বস্তু নালাগে। এট দ্য এণ্ড অফ দ্য ডে relationship is one thing that তুমি আহি পেলাই মানে তুমি ঘৰত আহি পেলাই তোমাৰ ভাগৰ লাগি আহি তুমি যে বহা ঘৰত তুমি সেই পিচফুলনেছটো পোৱা, তোমাক এটা মানুহ লাগে কথা শুনিবলৈ। চ' ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ ইজ that thing। এইটো মানুহে কয় some people are in love but they are not compatible, and some people are compatible but they are not in love. So সদায় বেলেঞ্চটো ৰাখা ভাল, আৰু যদি বেলেঞ্চটো নহয় তেতিয়া বহুত লগত থাকিলে বহুত বেছি ব্ৰেকআপ হোৱাৰ পিছত সুইচাইডাল থটছ হয় বা and তোমাৰ যদি কম্পেটিবলনেছ আছিলে ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটোৰ পিছত, দেন তুমি বহুত গ্ৰ' কৰা মানুহজনী। either way you grow and you develop yourself। যদি তুমি সেই মানুহ এটাৰ পৰা ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটো যি বিচাৰিছিলে সেইটো নোপোৱা এণ্ড তুমি বেলেগ এটা মানুহৰ ওচৰত গলা, দেন বেলেগ এটা মানুহৰ ওচৰত গলা, ইটছ নট আ বেড থিং যদি তোমাৰ ইণ্টেনশ্যনছ ঠিক হয়। ইটছ এবাউট দ্যাট তোমাক যোনখিনি বস্তু নালাগে তুমি সেইখিনিতে গম পাইছা, আৰু পিছত মেবি তুমি গম পাবা, এণ্ড মেবি সেইটো ষ্টেবল হ'ব, মেবি নহ'ব। বাট এইটো এটা কথা, লাইফ ইজ নট এবাউট ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ অৰ চামথিং। লাইফৰ এটা পাৰ্ট হয় ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপ, আৰু ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপটো বেয়া হলে গোটেই লাইফটো মানুহে ভাবে যে বেয়া হৈ গ'ল, সেইটো সেনেকা নহয়। তুমি লাইফ ইজ অনলি আ পাৰ্ট অফ দ্যাট relationship is only a part of that of our life, and সেইটো এটা just এটা সৰু পাৰ্ট। আমাৰ ৱৰ্ক আছে, আমাৰ নিজৰ প্ৰিন্সিপলছ আছে, আমি কেনেকে কাম কৰো বা কেনেকে আমি ডিচিজনছ লওঁ, আমাৰ মা পাপা আছে which is a form of love as well। so সেনেকা কথাবিলাকে। so ৰিলেশ্যনশ্বিপত আহি পেলাই সুইচাইডাল হোৱাটো এইটো বহুত নৰ্মেল হয়, but then it shouldn't be normalized, because at the end of the day mental health is something junto which always comes first। mental health, when you come first, mental health comes first, then your parents, then your relationships with your partner or anyone else। so that's my
সেইটোৰ পৰাই মই ক'ব বিচাৰো, যদি মানুহৰ মেণ্টেল হেল্থটোৱে ঠিক নাথাকে তেতিয়া মানুহ কোনো এটা কামত ছাকচেছ হ'ব নোৱাৰে। So over to you, Mitu।
Okay, so thank you again Harshita and Christina। so মোৰ এটা এনে casual question আছিলে, যদি তোমালোকক এটা চান্স দিয়া হ'ল কি for one day you get a chance to be PM or CM of this nation, কি law change কৰিলাহেঁতেন, কি কৰিলাহেঁতেন তোমালোকে?
Shall I go first?
Yeah
yeah, you shall।
Seems like a very interesting question, Pratham. Second of all, I'll tell you fun fact, okay? When I was very young, I used to fascinate Indira Gandhi like anything, because she has done blunders, but she is one strong woman who let the entire country go into a havoc. She had that much of power, And I said, Ma, that I'm a PM home, because I did not know how to make things and everything. So since you're bringing up the question, I believe that the society, the country, however it is running, it's going on a proper manner, of course. But I would like to change the media system of the country. Because media, being the fourth pillar of the democracy, is responsible in bringing the actual news to the public. And the public, being the one who selects the representative for themselves, are the ones who hold the power to select the next person who would govern the country. Tumak jodi eta informations pure correct nidie, tumi eta next powerful manuto keneke choose koriba. Ar tumak jitue informations kini di ase, tahati jodi faultot thake, then whom are you going to support or believe? Me, if I become the PM someday, just pray I become soon. If I become that someday, then would like to put some media laws and everything. Firstly, authentication. No media shall have the right to produce or write or tell anything that is going to influence the people, even in the slightest sense. Because because it's perception, his perception. He can think anything. কিন্তু মই তাক বস্তুটো বুজাই তোলাটো মোৰ ৰেসপন্সিবিলিটি হয় ন hence I believe that people, rather than questioning that toy kahan support no korisili but now you have again voted Narendra Modi, I would like them to go and research and come to the fun facts. And then, since media plays a very important role in taking up all the informations from the government or from the center, from the union to the public, I would like to change certain media laws and also change the very system of the media houses. Yes. So I would like to do that.
Okay. So yeah, that was interesting. So Divya Tanu, you can ask next question to Christina.
Yeah, so recently, not recently, there is a person you might know since related to mental health and awareness. His name is Ronit Ranjan. So I don't know, you might have heard his name or not. So before this, the second wave struck us. So he walked around 4,000 kilometers from Kanyakumari to Kashmir just to spread the message of mental health and awareness, since he was a victim too. And after the completion also, I think because of the COVID pandemic, I think the message could not be really translated to the government or so. He was trying to reach out to the education minister to include mental health the school curriculum, like in higher secondary or the lower classes. So what steps could you take to include mental health and awareness in the school curriculum? Or do you think is it necessary to nurture the child from a small age about mental health? So what are your views on that?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for the question. Just a moment. Yeah. So first of all, I am sorry, but I do not know about that initiative taken, but I'm sure he has taken one of the greatest initiatives. But to include mental health as one of the subjects or one of the, as in the curriculum of the students of India, প্ৰথম এটো বস্তু বুজিব লাগিব that আমাৰ আগৰ জেনাৰেশনটোৱে ভালকৈ নাজানে যে মেন্টাল হেলথে কিমান ইম্প্যাক্ট কৰে students educate korar agot, it is necessary to educate them about how important mental health is. Karon they are the torchbearer of the education system of the of the country India. Now the point is, tahati jodi gom na pai what mental health is and how that is impacting a kid's life, then I do not think that they're even willing to include that in the curriculum. Or jodi include hoyu ja iman besi attention nidibo. For example, I was in my previous school. Okay, so there's another fact. I shifted to DPS in class 12 because again I had anxiety and shit happening with me in my previous school. Also, sorry for the wrong word. I shouldn't have used it here, but I just slipped. Now the thing is, I shifted in class 12 and I realized that my previous school did not include the system of mental health in their curriculum. We had this one day jeti ami counselor counsel korba refer korba parisilu, but that was only on Wednesday. Okay, and what if Wednesday Wednesday like মোৰ মাথাটো ইমান বেছি deteriorate হৈ যায় that I try committing suicide. A lot of things might happen. I cannot take the risk for 1 week. 1 week could bahut post to change ho jaye, right? So I believe that one of the first steps would be this, that when people, I mean it's a BEd to compulsory kori dise teachers or karne, all right? I believe that the teachers should go through a training session where they are taught how to deal with teenagers, because age group to bahut sensitive hoy. We get easily triggered, we get easily influenced, we do not have the capacity to hold ourselves back when things are going wrong, So I believe that teachers and parents should be first taught about the importance of mental health, and at the same time should be provided with a training session where they can understand that how to deal with people suffering from any mental health issue. Second of all, I do not believe that as a subject you should include it. There's some sound coming.
Yeah, you can carry on. You can carry on.
Yeah, so I do not believe that you should include it as a subject. But what we can do is we can include it as a fun session. I'm a games period thake, right? People enjoy it. Why let's not make counseling session a fun session? Because even if you go to a counselor, manu bilake ki kore, counselors are going to open up hobo nware, because they feel they're going to a doctor. You're not going to a doctor. You're going to a stranger who would listen to you without judging you. That's what a counselor does. Hence, I believe school or subject wise na lage, kintu should be included inside as a fun period where people sit and interact. Group discussions hoba pare. Eneka hole ki hoy, lora swali bor bahut bully hoy. Tumaloke GPS students, so you know how it is, right? People get bullied. They have groupism and everything. But if you make a close circle where they sit together, talk about their personal stuffs, and have the faith that a manukhine mur kotha to spread nokore, they'll eventually start growing in harmony. Kajia hua, bully hua, etu manok beya ke koa, heblak bostu persistent nokoribo. Because when you and I are sharing emotional things, we connect through an energy and we feel our pain. We feel each other. Tete ami itu manok harm koribole aru agbari naho. The kind of tinta solution I would give: educate the parents and the teachers, create a period as a fun period where people can discuss and talk, and thirdly, include it amongst the kids. Normalize koredia bostu je mental health is okay. You're not psychotic. Mental issue thaka mane pagol nohoy. You're normal. You have issues, but we can tackle it. Normalize it. Yes, that's it.
Yeah, thank you so much, Christina. So Harshita, would you like to share something?
Yeah, so now am I audible now? Because more Wi-Fi
yes,
to disconnected ho goisile, and I'm so sorry for that. So the question was about, can you just repeat the question if you don't mind?
Sure. So I just asked that should mental health be included in the school curriculum? Like, what are your views? Like, what should be the initiative taken?
Oh, okay. So mental health, thankfully and fortunately in our school, we get appointments. Like it's like when we were like younger in middle school, then what happened, amar schoolot appointment di disile, eneke amak mati disile, amak jabole disile, and in any free period amar sessions loisile kole, ba if we have dispute with our friends or something, then amak ekeloge mati esob koraisile. Now that we have become like the senior most students of our school, itia amak eneke ko sessions na kora. Itia basically we have career counseling in our school. When you get the most upper rank or students. So yeah, so more karne I feel that mental health or tumar at a period thakibo lage. Not like a period, but teachers should take the initiative and make appointments with the students, interact with them, and fortunately more school khonot eneka asile aru he karone sake itia moi bahut besi grow korisu, and more classmates, more friends as well, they have grown, and you know, they are so much better when they first joined our school. So I believe that yeah, mental health or at a session, not if not tomorrow periods, but তুমি হেৰি ল'ব পাৰা monthly 2 বাৰ মান বা 3 বাৰ মান হেনেকে যদি তোমালোকে এটা সেশন লোৱা তেতিয়া বহুত বেছি ভাল হৈ যায়. And now that our generation, we are like, we go through a lot every day because of the social media, because of the peer pressure. So mental health is like it is basically it is very very important. If tomar mental health to bhal na thake, যদি তোমার মেন্টাল হেলথ ভাল না থাকে তোমার একোৱে ভাল না থাকিব. So yeah, and so sorry মোৰ ইমান ফোনটোৱে প্ৰবলেম দি আছে. মোৰ মানে
I guess you are on mute, Harshita.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. More phone to আজি বহুত বেছি disturb দি আছে, and মোৰ আজি সকে দিনটো বেয়া কাৰণে এনেকা হৈ আছে. I'm so sorry about it.
No problem, no problem.
Yeah, so more agor question eta asile tumi PM CM hole ki koila then? So
okay, so jeneke moi kolu I have always aspired to become a civil servant. So more karne, you know, working for the society comes first, and jodi eneka hoy that moi ednor karne PM ba CM bono, eta hole I would like to provide everyone junbilak you know বহুত below poverty line hoy, junbilak sabake rich hoy, torok soboke moi khana dim. And মই এদিন পুরা রেস্ট ডে দিলু হয়, লাইক পুরা রেস্ট ডে, সো দ্যাট তেহতে ঘৰত গৈ পেলাই নিজৰ you know family লগত টাইম স্পেন্ড কৰে. বাট যিখিনি হবিজ তেহতৰ আছে, আমাৰ পেৰেন্টছৰ বহুত হবিজ আছিল যেটা আমাৰ নিচিনা you know youth আমাৰ নিচিনা adolescent stage আছিল. But then when they got their jobs and when they you know became a parent, সবে পাহৰি গল কি কি শখ আছিল কি নাই. সো এদিন মই পুরা মানে একদিন মই যদি বলো মই সবকে রেস্ট দিম, মানে সবকে বন্ধ দি দিম, এন্ড সবে যেন নিজৰ যি ইচ্ছা কৰিবলৈ যায় কিন্তু ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত. সো ইয়া মোৰ কাৰণে হেতুৱে হ'ব.
Okay, thank you. So Sushant, next question to you. If you have any question, then you can ask. In short, like, okay, we are running short on time. So
yes. Okay, sure. Tomorrow gote story gote journey to huni pene bhal lagil. And at a small question to hudibo a little bit personal. Actually more logo eta asila, he also went through same kind of depression and mental illness kind of journey. And I was in class 11 10. I think I was in class 11 to 10. And moi man gom pon asilo ki like mental how is mental illness treated or how is depression treated. Hoy ki bostu exactly, you know. Like 90% of students don't know. 90% of people don't know what it is exactly. I was not in a state to help him. I don't know how to support him or how to help him because I didn't know what it is basically, you know. So like etiao bahut manu ase jodi kunba depression ase mak jodi ahi koi ase like no, I'm not feeling well, I think I'm in depression. How can you support that person? How can you support that person to get cured? Obviously mental illness or depression directly kono cure nai. No, you can just support some person, but how can you support them? What is the correct procedure to do that?
Harshita, shall I or you would?
Yeah, you go first.
All right. Firstly, depression manhor bahut beleg reasons or karne hoy. Firstly, Sushant, I can refer you as Sushant.
Yeah, sure. Yes. No, sure.
Okay. So firstly, see, the things that are normal for you, jikhini tumar karne easy hoy, ekhini mur karne nohobo pare. Jitue tumak depression an aniba pare, I could be like, okay, etue depression anise, I can deal with it very easily. Etu mur karne bahut easy hoy. So people have different levels of feeling depressed, different levels of feeling low. Now, to feel or to understand that what your friend was going through, let me refer that person as your friend, whatever he is going through,
yeah.
you have to go to the root cause. Okay? And you'll have to make sure that you go non-judgmental. Whatever is he saying, you know. And when a person is depressed, Sushant, the most possible thing that they miss in their life is a person who can listen to them. Trust me when I say this, no person is incapable. Mridumala, you, Harshita, nobody is. Sobe pare nijor issues handle koribole. But at a point of time, you do not want someone to provide you solutions. You want someone to just listen to you because solutions tahatar sortu ase. Not that they cannot. They just want you to sit there, listen to them, you know, and feel the pain altogether and let him know that you are not the only one who's going through this, but I am there with you. I'll be there. And whatever you go through, feel it. This is one of the phase. Trust me, I'll say this very honestly. In your life, things never get easy. It just gets worse. Yar pisat next to hobo, mur karne hetu worse hobo. But because of my past events, I'll be stronger to tackle that. That is the only difference. Okay? Things never get easy. You meet different people, you meet different situations, and they put you in a situation other than all of these that just ruins your mental health and sanity. And to help that one person, you cannot ask him or her to take tablets. I was into this one tablet called as Flunil 10. That is antidepressant, anti-anxiety tablets. And I was on that one. But my mom told me once, it's your body and you control it. It's your brain and you control it. Why are you letting one tablet control your entire system? Right? You have to make that one person understand that sab hai, jiu hoy ase, okol toy nohoy, tur logot moyu asu. Aru eta bostu monot rakh je gutei dunia khonot jodi tur against hoy jay, moi tur logot kintu shodai thakim. Toi bhul koro, shuddho koro, jiu koro. And let him understand that the tablet is not going to work until he does not want to get well. Aru bahut manhe sympathy karneo kore. Trust me, I have seen friends, they glorify depression. They're like, more depression. I said, no, hoy. Dukh laga to hoda depression, no, hoy. Depression to extreme levels of hoy. It's different from what people just think. Depression is not about always feeling sad. Depression is not about overeating. It's about a lot of things. Our depression, eta karono karne kitchao no hoy de. It's a lot of things. Karba porha bia, etu bia, hitu bia, bahut bostu jay ekaloge amalgamate hoy jay. Tetia enokata situation ahi pore manhutur je and that is the point where you say that I am depressed because now I feel helpless.
Yes, yeah.
You can only help that person through being there with him. And you know, another very easy thing that you can do, that is to indulge that person into some activity. The best activity is to paint. Egal color ana, ekhon canvas ana, and that Picasso hobo diya nai de. Ji mon hitu banabo de. Does not need to be a Picasso. I mean, the Picasso, he can be anything and he can draw anything. No, let him take off the frustration on the canvas. And hoi joar pisot tar khonmukhot bohiba, bohi pole koba je najanu tur logot ki hoise kintu toi muk ko aru moi yat thakim hodai thakim and be available for that one person. Eventually with time they'll recover. Edinot nohoy, dudinot nohoy, ek mahot ketiao nohoy, bahut time lagibo kintu recover hoi jabo.
Okay, that's great. Like, thanks for this. Like, a lot of youth will understand like how to support their friend or family member who is going through depression or mental illness state with this, because people aware naছিলে কেতিয়াও কেনেকৈ ট্ৰিট কৰিব লাগে, কেনেকৈ সাপোৰ্ট কৰিব লাগে. And তুমি এটা কথা correct কলা যে like people যোনে মানুহ আছে সিহঁতে ডিপ্ৰেছনটো ইজিলি লৈ লয়. Like they take like মোৰ কিবা হৈছে, আজি দুখ হৈছে বা আজি ব্ৰেকআপ হৈছে কাৰোবাৰ লগত বা আজি এক্সামত বেয়া মাৰ্কছ আনিলো, আই এম ডিপ্ৰেছড. Forcefully nijoke sad gunai diye, nijoke like forcefully loi jay bostuto. Though they are not in depression, they don't understand what is depression.
Exactly. Yeah. It has become a life aesthetic. Have you met guys, have you met people who would be like, "Eh, bostu bor tano I have OCD." You do not have OCD. OCD is a mental thing. Yeah. You have to understand it's not OCD. OCD is obsessive compulsive disorder and you do not have it. Disorder. People are like, it's not like that. It's different. You're normal. Being disciplined and having OCD has difference. And people needs to I mean, people need to have this sense in their mind that having mental health issue is not your you know, daily life aesthetic. It's not posting a picture saying, hi, I have woken up happy and I'm depressed. It's not a life aesthetic. They have to understand this.
Yes, you're right. You're right. So, like, thanks for your response to this question and to this small query. I would like, Harshita, if you want to add on something into this.
Yeah, pretty much Christina has summed up everything. But yeah, more karne it is rather than being sympathetic to a person, you should be empathetic. Sympathetic is feeling, you know, feeling for them. But empathy is something you have the feeling with them. So basically, moi bisaru je মোৰ কথা এটা যদি কোনোবাই শুনে বা মই যদি কাৰোবাৰ কথা শুনো, rather than being, you know, ঐ এই বেচেৰা ল'ৰাটো এনেকা হেনেকা নহয়, একো নাই, সব ঠিক হৈ যাব, ময়ো এই সিচুৱেশ্যনটোত আছিলো, তয়ো এই সিচুৱেশ্যনটোত আছ এতিয়া, মেবি তোৰ বেছি পেইন হৈ আছে, but gradually to ঠিক হৈ যাব, maybe তোৰ পেইনটো বেছি হৈ আছিল, মোৰ কম আছে, but then I can only imagine how you are going through it. Maybe heneke koleo mane it's like empathy, but oh besara lora tu tar ki je hobo hi eneka hoi goise because of the breakup eneka ei sob kole manu aru beya hoi jay, manu dine dine bhabe je muk manu eneke sai niki, muk manu teneke sai niki, eneke kono na sai, sobore problems thake. So yeah, rather than being sympathetic, you should be very empathetic. And also you know, if you want to overcome mental stress or something, I personally, you know, what I do is I go for a drive. I do not know to drive, but of course মোৰ এনেকা বহুত ভাল friends আছে যোনে মোক লৈ যায়, and মোৰ driver জনো আছে যোনে মোক লৈ যায়, and I'm very thankful for them because you know, after a lot of years I have been stable, you know, I have been with a group of friends mane jun mur logot amar differences bahut ase, but then at the end of the day moi janu je moi jodi 3ta bajat tehote call kor tehote mur kotha shunibo, ar moi tehote jodi mur 3ta bajat call kore moyo tehoter kotha shunim. So heneka manhu no bahut impact kore. Ar eta ki hoy তোমাৰ ধৰি লোৱা ক্ৰিষ্টিনাৰ পৰা মোৰ এটা বেয়া ভাইব আহে, বাট সুশান্তৰ ক্ৰিষ্টিনাৰ পৰা এটা ভাল ভাইব আহে. So it's always it's also about the vibe, you know, aura vibe মানুহে যে কয়, যোনবিলাক মানুহৰ পৰা ভাল পজিটিভ ভাইব আহে হেহতক you know ওচৰত থব লাগে, যোনবিলাকৰ নেগেটিভ ভাইব আহিব লাগে, even if you know don't want to talk to them, just মিহিকে একদম ধুনীয়াকে অলপ লাহে লাহে আতৰি যাব লাগে. So I prefer that also. And always সদায় mental stress থাকিব, আজি এটো খতম হল কালি এটো আহি যাব, but that doesn't mean that you have to give up. Giving up is not an option. যদি তোমাৰ ভাগৰ লাগে অলপ ৰেষ্ট লোৱা যেনেকে কয়, but then give up কেতিয়াও কৰিব নালাগে, because there's always room for improvement. And I believe that jimanu ji nohoy kyo at the end of the day tumi jeta bisnat joa tumi nijok tumi eneke bhabibo lage je oh aji moi iman khini kam korilu mor mane you know bhal lagibo lage. So moi ki koru, moi mur lockdown time mur ekdom motivation athake ki koru moi keneke pohim, mur ki hobo, mur 12 course ki hobo. So life ot dangor goals bilak achieve koribo lage, horu you know ডাঙৰ goals বিলাক achieve কৰিবলে সৰু goals বিলাকো তুমি হেৰি কৰিব লাগিব, কনকার কৰিব লাগিব. So মই কি কৰো, মই যে ৰাতি হু মই ৰাতি এটা নোটস মোৰ ফোনত এটা নোটসৰ অপচন আছে আৰু ৰিমাইন্ডাৰ্সৰ অপচন আছে. সো মই তাতে যাও আৰু তাতে মই কালি কি কৰিব বিচাৰিছো, মেবি মই খুজ কাঢ়িব বিচাৰিছো, যদি মই খুজ কাঢ়িব বিচাৰিছো তেতিয়া হলে মই you know লিখি থৈ দিম যে মই I will go for a walk, maybe মই খানা বনাব বিচাৰিছো. সো হেবিলাক যদি গোলস accomplish হয় না, at the end of the day তুমি ৰাতি যেটা শুবা তোমাৰ বহুত ভাল লাগিব, ও আজি যোনখিনি ভাবিছিলো সেইখিনি মই কৰিলো. So yeah, that's the thing. And তোমাৰ কথা কোনবাই শুনে নুশুনে তুমি নিজৰ সদায় নিজৰ ওপৰত যদি তুমি বিশ্বাস ৰাখা ন তুমি বহুত খিনি আগবাঢ়িব পাৰা বাস নিজৰ ওপৰত সেই বিশ্বাসটো ৰাখিব লাগে যদিও তোমাৰ সেই দিনটো সবতকে লাইফৰ বেয়া দিন হৈছে বা যদিও জি হৈছে so yeah that's it
okay thank you so much yeah please
please make sure that if you want to help that person let that person know that it's about willpower okay it's always about willpower if that person is willing to live and trust me when a person is depressed he basically loses the reason to stay alive I'm understanding motivation nathake boli je koy he reason to he karon to herai jay aru পঢ়িবলেও ন সুশান্ত মানুহৰ এটা কাৰণ লাগে it's always not motivation is a myth trust me you cannot keep yourself motivated all the time it's that one thing and that's one reason I have to study now okay I have to study because I have this one reason and that reason could be any reason but that one strong reason making you study therefore make yourself sure about it that your friend has this one reason to live not girlfriend or boyfriend day moi tar karne jiai asu tar karne it's not that one specific reason that is helping him to live a good life and the willpower you want to help him that's so sweet of you but he has to help himself that's it
so I would like to share like etu kotha mane etu bostu eta display eta dekham tumaloko I have made this because whenever I feel demotivated or something I look up to these things more 7 life goals key self characteristics of high manu and bhal quotes and more reasons to live my friends my parents so ebila horu you know bostue tumalok bahut beshi কি আসলে মোটিভেট ৰাখিব পাৰে বা তোমালোকৰ এটা ৰিজন টু লিভ যেনেকে ক্ৰিষ্টিনাই ক'লে হেতু হ'ব পাৰে so yeah হেতুৱে I would like to end up with
okay that was sweet that was nice of you guys like explaining all these things I know and আমি this because ইমান এইবোৰ নাই like আমি ইমান গম নাপাওঁ কেনেকৈ কি কৰিব লাগে কি কৰিব নালাগে আমাৰ নিচিনা বহুত মানুহ আছে like no publicত so thanks to you two guys you're doing super work actually like you know like doing this mental health stuff and I wish I pray like in future tumi like ji aim korisa ji goal ase ba ji public awareness jiman kaam koribo ase I wish ever eta ke sob fulfill hoi jabo lahe okay
yeah fulfill
thank you for coming here I would request Midimala to please take over and conclude the meeting
yeah
it's almost time
so guys hello guys I'd like to ask one thing to Christina. If someone who have a mental depression or something else, যদি তোমালোকৰ লগত তেওঁ কনসাল্ট কৰিব বিচাৰে প্ৰবলেমবোৰ তেওঁ যি প্ৰবলেম ঘটি আছে বা যি হওক so তেওঁলোকে যদি তোমালোকৰ লগত কনসাল্ট কৰিব বিচাৰে দেন আমি তোমালোকৰ কনটেক্সট প্ৰভাইড কৰিব পাৰিম নে তেওঁ
contacts provide কৰিবলৈ
actually মোৰ ওচৰত এটা প্লেন আছে why not we means conduct another podcast where people will join and ask you certain question you can give them some ideas or something
see
we
guys
will organize that meeting
if you guys
I'm sorry I'm interrupting I'm sorry so sorry
yeah
but
it's okay.
No please continue
yeah the thing is whatever I say or whatever I have been doing it is all because of the experiences I had okay I can surely help Mridumala or Sushant or even you in the personal grounds if for example Sushant calls me up and Christina I'm going to help you kore I'll do it no bro you need to do this to eneka ke kor heneka ke kor but for me to guide I do that I have this one session called as Unaya session jitu amar hile conduct kore every Saturday I mean random manhok link to I mean they have to register for it they join it around 35 to 40 people Delhi you won't believe Kashmir pra manhu they join it they have a safe space that a host thake maximum time moi host koro and they can talk random manhu tumi gomu nupwa kun hoy mane strangers hoy notun friends bonai it's not exactly like Omegle but they make friends they talk and everything and there I do provide solutions because these are very much self-motivated content. Okay? But if you guys really want to do something, then I shall contact a proper psychologist, because we have contacts and our advisory board of psychologists to assess. We can do that. But if you want teenager to talk to another teenager, then I will be there, because that's what we have been doing through Inoya sessions as well. But ekdom medical consult study koriba lage, gam paisa na, karobar bulimia ase, karobar OCD ase, tetia hole I would not take the risk karon mur hetu degree nai.
Hetu thike koisa tumi. If some
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, Harshita, please.
No, মই হেতুৱে কৈ আছে যে আমাৰ ষ্টুডেন্টবিলাক কন্ডাক্ট হয়, and basically it's about আমাৰ same age group or maybe আমাতকে অলপ ডাঙৰ হ'ব পাৰে, but then when we are in that platform we are no one. Amar ki hoy, if someone is like, you know, hesitating to share their feelings or share something, then what we do is ami sobe camera off kori diu, amar naam to just ami dot di thoi diu, and then sobe nijor experience teneke share kore aru sobe solutions diye, sober differences thake, hetu ami bahut hetu ami koribo paru, hetu kunba manu ejon amar osot ahok, ami sober karone every person we are accepting. But when it comes to something which is you know, in the grounds of medical, then ami hetu koribo noarim, because etu amar hatot nai. Amar jeneki Krishna kore, amar medical degree nai, amar proper studies nai, etu amar just experience or etu amar you know, experience or amar jiman khini knowledge ami gather korisu iman past these years, ami heikhini amar he you know, session to ami put up koro. So yeah, that's it.
Okay, so thank you so much, Christina and Harshita. So moi aji podcast to imanote hamurbo bicharu. So guys, apnaloke jodi next time next podcast to sabo bichare, then stay tuned, and amar social media platforms bilakok sabo pare, ei video to share koribo pare, and also protito video tolot teolukor link thakibo, Hill Society, and যদি কিবা queries থাকে বা আপোনালোকৰ যদি তেনেকুৱা কিবা problem হৈ আছে, then definitely হিহঁতক contact কৰিব পাৰে. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you to Sushant, Divyatanu, and Subhrajit, also to Christina and Harshita. So yeah, bye bye, guys.
Thank you
Take care.
so much.
Thank you so much for coming and joining us.